Hey guys, welcome back to Kaftan in the Kitchen number 11. Exciting. Okay, here we go. Today's kaftan is a nice kind of heavier knit cotton I got in Nairobi. It's a vintage kaftan from Africa and I love it. Okay, we're gonna make everything cheese sticks. I only had a small piece of puff pastry, like a leftover piece in my freezer, so we're gonna make just a small portion. I'm putting some flour on both sides of it. You want to take it out and let it thaw a little bit, but not too much. Okay. And let me start rolling this out. I'm putting even pressure back and forth. And this is a great hors d'oeuvre. And it's so easy to make, and it's such a crowd pleaser. And I know one person who's going to love this is Parker.
I thought maybe it was going to be me.
He did.
You never know what you're going to make.
Well, because
Nice
you
surprise.
love cheese so much that this is really going to be right up your alley. Okay. Okay. Like that. Just do a little bit bigger. Okay. I have my oven preheated at 425. Okay, let's put that down. Now I have a pastry brush and I want to just brush off this excess flour. Okay. And let me turn it over and do the same. Okay. Okay, so now what we want to do is we're going to take one whole egg and mix that up. Okay. So far so good, Parks?
Yep.
Okay. And we're going to take our pastry brush and we're going to brush the inside of this pastry. And this is going to act as a glue for the inside of these cheese sticks. And you can, change the flavors of this. You can make this savory or you can make it sweet. You could put sugar and cinnamon in the middle of this and it would be more of like a dessert. Okay, so now I made this homemade everything seasoning and we're gonna put some of that in the center. It's gonna give it great flavor. It has onion flakes and garlic flakes and poppy seeds and sesame seeds and salt and caraway seeds. Yum, okay? Now this is where Parker's really gonna get excited. I have grated Parmesan cheese.
Oh.
So it's gonna be like a cheesy everything breadstick. How's that sound, Parker?
This sounds fantastic.
Fantastic, right?
Great.
So you could put like, any kind of cheese in here that you like. You could put any kind of spices that you like. Okay, so now, let's see, I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna fold this onto itself like that, okay? And we're just gonna roll it a little bit just to help it kind of combine. Okay, there we go. And now, we're gonna cut this. I like to do it like in the center and then half that way and then half this way and then half again. This way you get even slices without using a ruler. And then we're gonna do each one more time, okay? You could use a pizza cutter if you don't have a knife that you're comfortable doing this with. That would work just great. And they don't have to be perfect, but you get the idea, okay? So we did that. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take them and we're gonna twist them like this, okay?
What?
I know. Let me move this up here so you can see what's going on. So you just twist it like that. You know when you see these at a party parks?
Yeah.
And they're kind of like in a glass, so, you know, like with the cheese platter, or you don't know what they're going to look like yet?
I kind of do. I mean, I guess it's just going to be browned and delicious looking.
Yes, sirree, bub.
Yes, sir, Eva.
Okay. But really easy, and you could do this, the part that I'm doing right now, in advance, and freeze them on a little tray, just like this, and then once they're solid, put them in a baggie, and they'll stay separated, and then if you're having like people over last minute, you just take them out, whoops, and pop them in the oven, and you have a quick hors d'oeuvre, right? Okay. And that little piece of puff pastry really yields quite a bit, right?
Yeah.
Now that we have them all twisted, we're going to put a little olive oil spray over the top. And get them all coated. That'll help with the browning. And we're going to put a little bit more everything seasoning on the outside. And a little more cheese. Okay, and we're going to put them in the oven, 425 degrees, until they're golden brown. It'll probably take about 15-20 minutes. Okay, let's do it. Cheese sticks are out of the oven. They look so beautiful. They're golden brown and crispy. And look, I set up this little scenario right here. Imagine you're coming over to my house to visit Parks and I, and we're gonna have a little Prosecco and some cheese sticks and some Parmesan cheese and maybe some grapes or whatever else. Some prosciutto would be nice with this, but look at how fun this is. So easy, so inexpensive, and so much better than store-bought. Let me taste.
Yeah?
You wanna bite?
I do. Give me the... Thank you.
Delicious. You can do it, guys.
Oh, wow.
I know.
Those are great.
Aren't they great?
Yeah. I love this.
You can do it, guys.
What a surprise.
Cook with us.